Marco. Hi, Marco. Look at me. Marco. Marco, let me see your pretty little face. Let me see your pretty little face. Can I see your pretty little face? There it is. There he is. Oh, you're so cute. You're adorable. Marco, look at me. Marco. Marco. Look at him. He's so cute. Are you a cute boy? Who's that? It's Zeus. Hi, Zeus. Hello. Hello. Ooh, shake that thing. No, he's doing the downward dog. What are you doing? Huh? Can you sit for me? Sit down. Hey, Zeus, I'm talking to you. Zeus. No. Give me my shoe. Give me my... You crazy dog. You're so crazy. Give me my shoe. Shut up. Give me my shoe. Give me my shoe. I need my shoe. Get. Shush. Shush, Marco. You're upsetting Nanny. Give me my shoe. Dog. Hey guys, so I wanted to tell you a little story about my dog Zeus. The other day I was laying on the couch and my mom came up to me and like playfully hit me on the leg. And then my big dog Zeus jumped off the couch, grabbed my flip-flop and handed it to her. So I guess he was like giving her something to beat me with or something, but yeah. So I thought that was kind of funny and I thought you guys might like to hear that one. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, or it's not much, but please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Baby.